Hi there, my name is Dominic Rubino. This is CabinetMakerProfitSystem.com. A little report here just for cabinet makers, architectural woodworkers, finishers, joiners, millworkers, etc. That's the type of business that I work a lot with over my 18 years as a business coach, and I'm happy to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how you can find enough people for your growing business using a really simple and overlooked tool. It's called the sandwich board or the A-frame sign. Now I'm going to walk and talk you through this because I get a lot of resistance and I get a lot of feedback at the same time on this particular tool. We've been using it for years. It works great, but you also have to understand the pros and the cons of how to get the most out of it. Okay, so if you need to find more people, if you want to have enough people so you can cull the greatest people out of it, you need to have a lot of volume of applicants. So if you need that volume of applicants, this is how you do it. It's called the A-frame sign or the sandwich board. I'm talking about the 48-inch one. It's about 48 inches tall, almost as tall as me. Look at that, and quite wide, just like me. And it does help you bring in applicants for your business. It's really basic. It's really basic. Your brand, your logo is not even on this sign. It's just a big old sign that says now hiring. That's really important, right at the top. Now hiring, exclamation mark. And then list the positions that you need. Millworker, finisher, laborer. Keep it really high level, right? CNC operator, whatever you need, but keep it at a really high level. And at the bottom, your phone number. Now you can add one thing if you need to. If your shop is really far off the beaten track, you can add a directional arrow. Okay, and that's okay. But you want to fill up that sign as best you can because guys driving by are going to see that sign and they're going to take a picture of it with their cell phone, which officially I'm not endorsing. You're not supposed to do that while you're driving, but it happens, right? Or they're going to drive by it again and again every day and they're going to get mad at where they're working. They're going to say, you know what? I want to go work there. And they're going to call you and you just don't know who is driving by that area morning, noon, and night, evenings and weekends and sees that sign. So let's talk about it. Does it work? Yeah, it works. The sign's going to cost you $200 or $300. Now I know you run a woodworking shop and you can make your own. Great, make it out of plywood if you want. Put a Coroplast sign on there. Get a sign maker to do it. I don't care. That's your detail to take care of. But I'm telling you, the sign works. No matter how much you spend on it, invest on it. But it is important to understand it works, and it works so well that other businesses refer to this as the silent soldier strategy. This is the same strategy I would use, for instance, if I was working with a chiropractor or a dentist, and it'll bring them like 11 new patients a month, just like that, which is a very low acquisition cost for the cost of the sign. And we've been using it in the trades business for years all over the world, by the way, not just here in North America, not in Europe, Asia, everywhere. The same system works. So what you have to do is understand the basic tenets of marketing: target, offer, and copy. So you have to target people who are in the area. Then you have to put an offer. The offer is now hiring. And then the copy is the words on the page. In this case, the words on the sign. And it tells you, call this phone number. We're accepting interview applicants. Now you will get lots of low-end applicants. You get a couple of high-end applicants. So you need a system for taking those phone calls in. So make sure that phone number rings maybe at an administrator's desk and they know what easy questions to ask. If you want to know the questions to ask, go back to CabinetMakerProfitSystem.com and look for the article, the piece of content that I've created for you called How to Hire for Attitude. And I've got interview scripts there. It's a 2-part interview script, and your administrator can use part 1 to cull through those calls. Anyways, keep that in there. Now, people are going to say, hey, Dom, how come my logo's not on there? Because nobody cares. Don't put your logo on there. It doesn't matter. Irrelevant at this point. Completely irrelevant. Your job right now is just to get the phone call in for the guys you need. By the way, if you like this system after you use it, tell us your results. Leave a comment here or share this with somebody else. If you have a repair division that goes out there and does repairs, or if you've got finishers and installers of your own, create 2 more of these and have your guys, every time they park their truck on the street in a neighborhood, whether it's an industrial building that you're working on or residential, put 2 signs on each side of the truck, and that'll bring you more business in that local area. We'll talk more about that on Cabinet Maker Profit System as well. Some people ask me, do I put a QR code on there? Do you guys know what a QR code is? It's that little square picture that you see printed and it's got a bunch of dots on it and things. Listen, the only people that know how to use QR codes are the guys that make QR codes. Total waste of time. Don't do it. Don't need it. Where does the sign go? Be polite. Be nice. The sign goes at the major intersections that lead people to or away from your place, and you should have 1 sign right outside of your place for that traffic that's coming in and out of your industrial complex, wherever that might be. You just never know where the next right guy or the next team of people is coming from. So make sure you put your sign where it can be seen, then those directional arrows will pull people in from the major intersections. Now you're going to say, okay, Dom, I'm just checking back on the video. We put up the sign and it got stolen. Yeah, it got stolen. So here's your options. Number one, call the city because they came by and picked it up and probably took it to the city works yard, which is fine. Just go get it, put it right back up. Now the city might come and take it again. And what you do is you go back to the works yard and you bring it back and you put it up again because this system works so well. It doesn't matter if the city gets mad at you. It's not like they go to sleep at night with the mayor wondering why this millworking shop is causing a problem. Put the sign back up, okay? The other thing that happens is it gets stolen, plain and simple. I know you're going to laugh, but my dad used to steal real estate signs because he used them to hold up his tomatoes in his yard. I don't know if I was supposed to give that away. I probably gave away too many family secrets. So the sign gets stolen. Make another one. If you need guys, and if guys are holding up your production, if you need more or better guys, this system works, and it's dead simple, so do it. You can even take this system and put it on the roof of your building if it can be seen from a major highway or cross area. So it works. You've just got to do it, and you guys already know how to get the wood. You can print this stuff up at a print shop and attach it to some wood and just put it up there. It works so well, it doesn't matter if it gets stolen. It does not matter if the city takes it. Just go get it, put it right back up again. Okay, what else have I got for you here? If you have any other questions, go back to CabinetMakerProfitSystem.com. Look there for everything we've got around hiring or finding the right guys or managing or leading your people. We've also got some interesting articles and material there for you on how to work better as a partner in a partnership, how to keep your profits up, where to find the hidden money in your business, hiring and managing your people, and all that sort of stuff that I've been doing for years with cabinet makers, architectural millworkers, joiners, finishers all around the world, even some casket makers, believe it or not, and a guy who made pool tables. He's a fun story. We'll talk about him a lot. There's lots to be done there. Anyways, my name is Dominic Rubino. Thank you so much for checking in. I appreciate it. Any more information that you need, please come to CabinetMakerProfitSystem.com and go ahead and leave us a comment or ask us a question. We're here to help. Have a great day. Thank you very much, and we will talk to you soon.